Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to contact customer service using the Wayfair mobile app. Let's get started. Open the Wayfair app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the account icon at the bottom right. Now scroll down and look for an option called Help and Contact or Customer Service. Tap on it. You will see a few options. If you have a question about a specific order, tap on My Orders, then tap the order you need help with. Once you are on the order details screen, scroll down and tap Contact Customer. You will now see the way you can reach Wayfair support team depending on the time and your location, like live chat, call us, or email support. To chat, tap on Chat with us. To call, just tap Call us. You can now anything like tracking an order, changing a delivery date, or solving an issue. And that's it. Now you know how to contact Wayfair customer service. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.